step-by-step tutorial for configuring an Android compliance policy in Microsoft Intune. This tutorial provides a detailed guide on configuring compliance policies for Android devices in Microsoft Intune. Compliance policies enforce organizational standards, such as password requirements and encryption, ensuring devices meet security criteria. Setting up the compliance policy. 1. Navigate to Devices. Open the Microsoft Intune Admin Center by visiting htendpoint.microsoft.com. On the left-hand menu, click Devices to manage your device compliance settings. 2. Select Android Platform. Under the Devices section, click on Android to specify your configuring policies for Android devices. 3. Open Compliance Policies. In the Android section, click Compliance Policies to view or create policies that will ensure your devices adhere to the required standards. 4. Create a new policy. Click on the Create Policy button to start a new compliance policy. A flyout will appear with options to choose the platform. Select Android Enterprise as the platform. Now choose the device type, fully managed, dedicated, and corporate-owned work profile. This applies to Android devices that your organization manages. 5. Provide name and description. Name your policy, e.g. Android Compliance Policy, and add a description to explain the purpose of the policy. This helps identify the policy later. Once named, click Next to move forward. Configuring policy settings. 6. Set Play Integrity Verdict. Play Integrity Verdict is a feature that ensures devices comply with Google Play Store's integrity checks. Set this to Check Basic Integrity. Verifies if the device passes basic integrity checks. Check Device Integrity. Ensures the device hasn't been tampered with or rooted. These settings protect your organization from unauthorized or compromised devices. 7. Configure password requirements. For the required password type, choose alphanumeric with symbols. Set the minimum password length to 6 characters. This ensures that users have a strong password that includes numbers, letters, and symbols, enhancing device security. 8. Enable encryption. Under Encryption, select Require Encryption. This setting ensures that the device storage is encrypted, protecting sensitive corporate data in case of device theft or loss. Configuring non-compliance actions. 9. Set non-compliance actions. Now configure what should happen if the device becomes non-compliant. For Android devices, you have additional options. Send notifications. Notify users when their device becomes non-compliant. Mark device non-compliant. This option flags the device for further action, such as restricting corporate data access. Retire or wipe device. Choose to remove corporate data from the device if it remains non-compliant. Once you've configured these actions, click Next to proceed. Finalizing the policy. Skip scope tags. In this example, scope tags are not required, so you can simply click Next to continue. Scope tags are used to assign policies to specific administrative units within an organization. 11. Assign the policy. Choose your assignments. For non-kiosk devices, it's best to use user-based assignment, which targets specific users or user groups. You can select from all users or apply a filter based on the Android platform to ensure the policy applies only to Android devices. This flexibility allows you to tailor the policy for different users or devices. 12. Review and confirm. Review all the settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Finally, click Create to implement the policy.